Dear students, in this video, we are going to discuss some other antenna radiation fundamentals, parameters like antenna efficiency, what is meant by power gain, and we will derive what is the relationship between power gain and directivity.
Now we'll discuss number parameters for antenna efficiency. What is the definition of an antenna efficiency? So it is the ratio of total power radiated to total power radiated to input input power. So what is meant by this total? For example, this is an antenna. This is my antenna. I have provided my input power A. Okay. So how much of power is radiated? So for a good, for practical antennas, if I provided PI, 90% or 80% of the power will get radiated and 10 to 20% loss will be there. Okay. So antenna efficiency is with theta R. So the definition of theta R is equal to P radiated by P input power. So that is nothing but P radiated by input power means it is a combination of both radiated power plus loss. Okay, P radiated plus P loss. Okay, so theta. Okay, so this is the one definition in terms of radiation antenna efficiency in terms of power. If I want to convert the same thing into radiation resistance, okay, so we know that power is equal to I square R. Okay, so same thing, eta R is equal to I square R radiation by R rad by I square R rad plus I square R loss. Okay, if we take common that I square common, okay, get R radiation by R radiation plus this is also very important. So what is the other form of radiation antenna efficiency in terms of radiation distance? It is R radiation distance by R radiation distance plus R loss. So this is also a very important law. Okay, so if efficiency is expressed in terms of percentage, okay, so the formula is R radiated by R radiated plus loss into 100. Okay. So let us calculate do one problem. For example, calculate efficiency of an antenna. Efficiency of an antenna given radiation distance is equal to 73 ohm and loss resistance is equal to 4 ohms. So the formula for efficiency or percentage of efficiency. Okay, here the value of radiation distance is 73 ohm and the value of loss resistance is 4 ohm. Okay, so substitute 73 by 73 plus 4 into, okay, it is 73 by 73 plus 4, 77. So efficiency is equal to the value of 73 by 77. Just go to the calculator. It is 94.3. So percentage is equal to 94.8. So very important to calculate the efficiency of equipment. You do the radiation distance and loss distance. You want to calculate efficiency. Okay, so efficiency is equal to 94.5. So this is the This is the thing, yeah, very, very important. Now let us now discuss the other thing. Today we discuss on the parameter, that is power gain. The parameter for power gain. What is meant by this power gain? What is the definition of power gain? What is the difference between directivity and power? What is the difference between directivity and power gain? The only small definition, a small change in the definition. Directivity and power gain are same, whereas in directivity, the radiated power is taken into consideration. In directivity, the radiated power is taken into consideration, whereas coming to the power gain, the radiated power along with power loss is also considered. That is the only change. Directivity will consider only the radiated power, but in power gain is represented with PG. Power gain, we consider both P radiated plus P loss. P radiated plus P loss is nothing but input power. P radiated plus P loss is nothing but input power. Okay, now let us see the formula of the power gain. The power gain formula GP is equal to, so we know that what is the formula for the directivity. D is equal to U max by U average. Okay, U max by U average. Power gain is equal to, for example, U max by U average. But so see here, I'm writing here, directivity is equal to U max by U average. What is the formula for the U max by U average means what is the formula for the U average? You have already derived. U average is equal to P radiated by 4 pi. In directivity, we are considering only the P radiated, but in power gain, instead of this P radiate, consider both P radiation and P loss. So the formula is P input by 4 pi. P input by 4 pi. Okay, so this is going to be the basic difference between directivity and power. Directivity and power gain. Okay, so so the only difference is in directivity we consider only the P radiated. Here we consider in power gain we consider both P radiated plus P loss. P radiated plus P loss is equal to P input. P radiated plus P loss is equal to P input. Okay, now let us bring the relationship, very, very important relationship. A relationship between power gain GP and the directivity D. Directivity D, very, very important one. Relationship between. So what is the formula for the power gain? Power gain GP is equal to the formula for power gain is equal to U max by U average, that is P in by 4 pi. So this is the formula for power gain. Okay, now let us come to the directivity. What is the formula for the directivity? Directivity is equal to U max by U average. U max by U average. So what is the formula for the from this you can write what is the expression for U max? The expression for U max is equal to directivity into U average. What is the value of U average? U average. So it is directivity into P radiated by 4 pi. U average is equal to P radiated by 4 pi. Okay, so in the previous expression, antenna efficiency, what is the formula for the antenna efficiency? Antenna efficiency is equal to P radiated by P input. From this, what is the formula for the P radiated? P radiated is equal to efficiency into P input. Efficiency into P input. Therefore, U max is equal to directivity into directivity. In the place of P radiated, I will simply replace P efficiency into P by 4 pi. Okay, so this is the formula for U max. So this is the formula for the U max. U max is equal to R into P into P in by 4 pi. Okay, so now I am replacing this U max in this equation. Okay, so therefore GP is equal to, in the place of Umax, I am replacing this, that is eta R into directivity into PM by 4 pi. Okay, by PM by 4 pi. Okay, so PM by 4 pi, PM by 4 pi get cancelled. Finally, under the expression, GP is equal to eta into T. Is very, very important. So the relationship between power gain and directivity is equal to antenna efficiency times into directivity. So, very, very okay. GP is equal to eta R into D.